Hey there, welcome back guys. The folks at the Power Owl who were kind enough to send us the Power Owl, as you can see right here, ZN825E. It's an upgrade to the previous Power Owl system. So without any further ado, let's get started because this couldn't have happened at a better time. So this is it right here. And as we know, with the Power Owl, we can, oh wow, look at that. We've got 8 batteries. We got 4 of the regular Power Hour series in the AA. And we also have AAA because right now we need AAA batteries. And believe it or not, I'm going to show you why. But let's have a look at what's inside. So we got 4 of these, which is great. I've got 2 in the clock. Actually, I'll show you guys in a second where they all are. And we have these right here. Of course, it comes with the charger. Like anything else you get, they're always so short, but it's fine. At least it comes with a starter cord, I would say. But you know, most likely you're going to need something a little bit longer, right, for the experience to go all the way out there, not to the beach, but you know, wherever it is your outlet is. So look at that, really nice. Definitely going to use these. Careful opening it slowly. And then you can just, oh wow, they're really tightly bound in there. Nice, oh wow. And so these are the AAA nickel metal hydrate batteries. They're rechargeable, okay, which is great, 1000 milliamps. And the HRO3 is the name of the battery, the 1.2 volts. You get 4 in this particular set. And then we have 4 of the AA batteries. Okay, we're just going to check these out and see. Remember carefully, you don't want to puncture. These are smart batteries. They, you know, there's some sort of electronic system in here so it knows when it's done. This is the ROHS 1.2 volts. It's the HR6. And again, this one was the, what's this one? HRO3. So this is 2,800 milliamps, which is great. Get some fast charging out of that. And these we will also use, but right now we're in desperate need of the AAA, being that it's flood season. We have all these sensors around the basement, and they need replacing. Not of the sensors, but of the batteries. So let's have a look, because one is actually going off. I usually keep one near the boiler in the back. I keep one sensor down there. If you look closely in the corner, you'll see one. And I also keep one here in case there's, not here, but before it gets in here. So these are them right here. See that? And they run on AAA batteries. This is before it comes in. As you can see in here, the battery's dying, which means we have to change it. I believe this is, I forget what the name of the room is called, but we'll find out. We're gonna have a few on standby. At least 2 on. Swap the batteries, get that buzzing to stop. Wonder if this feature will work on the mic. Apparently if you press the power button once, right? It's supposed to enhance the audio and eliminate the buzz. Don't be the buzz kill, but we'll put it to the test, right? And then that'll be another video thanks to the folks at the Power Owl. All right, and then we'll turn it back off again. So, oh good, because these are running off the regular out-of-stock batteries. Surprised the sensor, the alarm on my phone didn't go off, which is a little bit of a bummer. In case you're wondering and want to see, I'll show you guys. So you see, look, check it out. So it looks like the Kato system in the corner needs new ones. The kids' toilet definitely needs a new one. If you ever have kids, you know somehow the water cannot stay in the bathroom. But the one that's going off is, safe room corner. So that's this one right here. There used to be a safe in there. Apparently the house was a speakeasy back in the day where people would come and gamble, and there was a safe in there. I never got a chance to see what was in the safe. I told the guys, if you open it, just let me know what's inside. We come back home, and they're like, nope, nothing in there. Safe was empty. I was like, damn it, we should have been home. Because, you know, imagine opening up the safe to a place that was sort of like a speakeasy. What a relief. Yeah, so as I was saying, as you can see, that one was the corner of the safe room. I wonder if I press it. No, so it's dying, but now it's good. So now if I put the new batteries in, it should trigger it. It should go beep. Nice. Okay. So now this should update. Let's supposedly. Let's do an update, reload, refresh, complete. And look at that, corner safe room, fully charged. Kind of neat, huh? So now we're good for about, well, I don't know how good we're good for, because being that, you know, these are different batteries, but definitely no matter how long we're good for, it doesn't really matter, because we can recharge them with the POWEROWL, and we have this thing here that's going to tell us when to replace the batteries. We should get an alert, and then you won't be left underwater or in the water if your water sensor doesn't go off, right? So knowing that, moving forward, let's screw this baby back together at a better time. I think there's a tropical storm coming. Yeah, in our basement usually floods, but before while the sensor goes off, we don't want to wake up to water coming in. Well, we do have French drains, but they don't really work, but that's okay. And now we'll just put this one right here, and these we can throw out. And always dispose of your batteries properly. I'm definitely going to put these two in the, probably, let me think which area gets the most water. Gosh, this is a tough call. Probably the Kato system, since that's another corner where we definitely get water when it rains. Under the sink, oh, that looks like it just went off there, but it was just an alert. Yeah, and that's it. Let's check it out. Let's put this back where it belongs. So we're going to put this in its new home. There we go. Voila. And hopefully before the water gets there, or sometimes water comes from over here. But you know, you just never know. But at least we got all the areas covered. So there we have it. That's it. We have the POWEROWL charger, which can charge 8 batteries. It's called the 8-bay smart battery charger, as you can see. Kind of neat, because you can charge 8 batteries. And what I like about the POWEROWL charger is that you can put any battery anywhere, which is just simply awesome. As you can see, you just have to put them in properly. And I believe I have charging cord, talking about micro USB. Let's see if we, there we have it. Voila, look at that. So that red light means, see, look, that's what's great about it. You can put it anywhere. And if you saw my previous video with the other Duracell charger and the Energizer charger, you could not put a battery anywhere. It had to be in the beginning to the end to create a complete series of the circuit. And as you can see, the batteries do come with some juice, and most likely it caps it off, which is just awesome. So whether it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or however many minutes it is that need to be left to cap off the batteries. And that's what's beauty about these. There's like a chip in here that tells it you're done, and so it won't overcharge. So you don't have to worry about that 3-card Monte experience where you're like, I charged one, right? And then the light turned green. And then all of a sudden I'm like, oh no, which one did I charge, right? You're like, and then you don't know. So that's what's great about these batteries, because they work a little bit like the LiPo batteries, where it knows how much juice is in there, and it'll just cap it off. We can't overcharge it. But if you don't use a smart charger, you know your LiPo battery will simply explode, because it just will pick up where it left off and keep pushing the power. These batteries don't do that. And that one will turn red, and within 15, 20 minutes, because as you saw, there is some juice in here, it'll probably just cut off. The other one is right here. It works similar to this one. This one's a nice little travel charger too. So as you can see, charge, not charge, charge, and it caps them off, which is what you want with your smart batteries. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you in better understanding how you can have a better experience with your rechargeable batteries with the POWEROWL 8-day smart battery charge. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.